Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Cancer, and this reading is from August 11 to August 20th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Cancer, your recent past. Ace of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Two of Cups. I think in past you both love each other. Two of Cups, you have feelings for each other, and Ace of Swords, definitely you are in communicating, but one person in this connection not expressing their feelings, even though you love each other equally, mutually, but one person not expressing their feelings. But I think that person is going to be express their feelings. Ace of Swords, truth coming out and communication in past. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. One person in this connection is trouble. Wow, Page of Cups. Yes, they are going to express some messages. Seven of Wands. The Emperor, Daddy. So I think one person in this connection want to communicate to other person, want to say apology, convey their message to another person. And Seven of Wands, I think they don't want to give up on this connection, even though there are obstacles, even though they know there are obstacles in this connection. And the Emperor, yes, I think one person in this connection is very stable, very good person, very honest, and they committed. One person in this connection is very committed. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Cancer. Queen of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the Lovers. Wow, Two of Cups and the Lovers. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It could be any sign. Your person have emotions for you, but I think there is some cold shouldering. I think there is some separation between both of you for some. That's why your person feeling you have emotions for you but not taking any action. And the Lovers, yes, they love you, but what happened between both of you? One person is don't want to give up on this connection. So I think it's you making apology to your person, Cancer, because you walked away from this connection because Five of Pentacles. Or for some in near future your person may walk away from you due to some reasons. So let's pull some more cards from universe. There is separation depending upon your situation, the separation. And Three of Pentacles, you both could be colleagues, unknown each other. Nine of Pentacles, Lord of Earth energy, the Sun. Wow. Page of Pentacles, yes, communication is definitely coming in your way. And if one person is gaining strength and standby power and emotionally independent, the Sun, I think the outcome, the Sun is very positive card. Three of Pentacles, I am getting there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person is expressive but another person is not expressive. That is the issue in this connection. So when you both are in same page, definitely this connection is going to be next level, because the Sun is here. For some this could be third party situation, children involves also. That's why one person want to walk away and they want to stand by their power, they want to be single. For some there is no third party. So if you both decide to work on this relationship, definitely the Sun, the positive outcome will come in this relationship, and this relationship is going to be next level depending upon your situation. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.